Bitcoin is accepted by a lot of people, and its popularity keeps growing. In contrast to stocks at a stock brokerage, you can take your cryptocurrencies out of a crypto exchange and store them in a wallet that isn't part of the exchange. The best Bitcoin wallets make it easy to safely store and manage your crypto portfolio. If you want to buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies and store them, you may be looking for the best Bitcoin wallet. We looked at a long list of Bitcoin wallets, paying attention to how much they cost, how easy they are to use, which cryptocurrencies they support, and other features. Watch the video till the end to know about some of the best Bitcoin wallets you can get right now. But before we start our countdown, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start now. 1. Exodus. Exodus is a cryptocurrency wallet that can be used on desktop computers as well as mobile devices. It has a relatively straightforward user interface and an integrated exchange. The capacity to trade between an increasing variety of cryptocurrencies is one of the aspects that has contributed to Exodus's widespread appeal. At the moment, Exodus enables users to trade between more than 150 distinct cryptocurrencies. This wallet is perfect for novices who are just started in the cryptocurrency sector due to its ease of use. Additionally, it has excellent support, which is a vital element for novices who are entering a sector that many people perceive to be complicated. Even while it is excellent for novice users, more experienced users can discover that it is lacking in certain functions. To begin, Exodus is a wallet that is not open source. This goes against the spirit of the notion of Bitcoin and blockchain, and it can raise some security problems as a result of the fact that its code is not open for everyone to see. Instead, customers put their trust in the Exodus team to keep the wallet's security in check and make sure there are no vulnerabilities. In addition to the option of automatically selecting a charge to ensure that the transaction is finished as quickly as possible, Exodus gives users the option to manually enter their own fees in order to keep costs to a minimum. 2. Electrum. One of the first Bitcoin wallets ever created was called Electrum. It came into being in 2011, which was 2 years after Bitcoin's inception, and has undergone very little alteration since then. 12. Even though this wallet doesn't support anything but Bitcoin and has a very basic user interface, it performs exceptionally well at the task that it was designed for. Due to the extensive customization options available, Electrum is best suited for more experienced users. Electrum is a Bitcoin client that allows users to choose their own transaction fees, is open source, and gives users the option to switch between traditional Bitcoin and SegWit. In addition to that, it gives consumers the option to select the amount of protection that they want to make use of. You have the option of putting together a multi-signature wallet, a normal wallet, or even one that requires 2 factors of identification. You also have the option of elaborating upon your seed phrase using individualized words. Electrum is ideal for the more experienced Bitcoin holder who needs superior security features and the opportunity to customize their wallet while yet maintaining a straightforward interface. 3. Mycelium. Mycelium is a Bitcoin wallet that is exclusively available on mobile devices and is open source. Mycelium now only supports Bitcoin, ETH, and ERC20 tokens. Mycelium is comparable to the Electrum wallet in a number of important respects. It is exclusively available on mobile devices, it features an updated user interface in comparison to Electrum, and it incorporates its own exchange. These are some of the key distinctions. Along with Electrum, Mycelium is one of the first wallets that appeared on the market. Additionally, similar to Electrum, you have the ability to specify custom transaction fees, which gives you the flexibility to decide how long you are willing to wait for a transaction to be finalized. Mycelium also includes a few other intriguing features, such as support for hardware wallets. This feature enables users to store their Bitcoin on an offline storage device while still using the user interface provided by Mycelium to monitor their cryptocurrency holdings. 4. Ledger Nano X. Ledger, a French firm that was established in 2014, has released its second generation of hardware wallets under the brand name Ledger Nano X. The Ledger Nano S, which was Ledger's initial cryptocurrency device, was one of the very first hardware wallets available on the market. It went on to become the industry standard for a significant amount of years. The Nano X looks like a USB drive and can connect to your device through either Bluetooth or USB, depending on your preference. This allows you to link the wallet to your iOS or Android device without the requirement for a computer to be present in either scenario. It is compatible with over 1,800 different cryptocurrencies. This list continues to expand every year as members of the Bitcoin community inquire about support for their preferred cryptocurrencies. Ledger Live is a piece of software developed by the Ledger team that serves as a graphical user interface for all of your assets. The hardware wallet that comes with the Ledger product is designed for cold storage. Users now have the possibility to add additional wallets on their smartphones for a variety of cryptocurrencies and manage their portfolios thanks to this feature. Ledger's hardware wallets have been and continue to be the most popular option for cryptocurrency storage in the market. The Ledger also comes with a cable that converts from USB-C to USB-A, allowing it to be connected to a desktop computer or a smartphone in the event that the use of Bluetooth is not chosen. 5. Trezor Model T. Along with Ledger, the word Trezor has become virtually synonymous with cold wallet storage for cryptocurrencies. They have now developed the second generation of hardware wallets, which they refer to as the Model T. The Trezor Model T is quite similar to the Ledger, but it provides the user with the ability to visit third-party exchanges directly in the online interface of the device itself. Examples of such exchanges are Changelly and CoinSwitch. Although this is incredibly convenient, the fact that it costs $195 does not in any way justify the higher price tag. The buttons that were used on their previous model have been replaced with a touch screen, making the Model T more user-friendly for people just starting out. There is also a space for a micro SD card in the Trezor, which means that you may utilize micro SD cards to encrypt the PIN and provide further defense for your device from assaults. The Trezor Model T, much like the Ledger Nano X, comes with a USB Type-C connector so that it can be connected to either a smartphone or a desktop computer. This feature is similar to the one found on the Ledger Nano X. At this time, the Trezor Model T is compatible with more than 1,800 distinct forms of cryptocurrency. In spite of the fact that the Ledger Nano X's Bluetooth connectivity may be disabled, some people believe that the Model T provides a higher level of safety when compared to the Ledger Nano X. 6. Ledger Nano S. The Ledger Nano S was one of the very first hardware wallets ever produced and represents the first iteration of Ledger's popular hardware wallet product line. Including the fact that the Nano S is compatible with more than 1,800 different cryptocurrencies. Because the Nano S does not come with a USB Type-C connection, purchasers who have more recent smartphones may have difficulty connecting the Nano S to their devices. The iPod Nano S is almost identical to its subsequent model, the iPod Nano X, with the exception of a few enhancements. Both have access to the Ledger Live software and support the same plethora of cryptocurrencies as one another. The Nano S, in contrast to the Nano X, does not support Bluetooth connectivity, and it is only capable of storing a maximum of 3 applications in comparison to the 100 that can be simultaneously saved on the Nano X. Because of its restricted storage capacity, the Nano S can only be used to create wallets for a specific number of cryptocurrencies at any given moment. According to their online guide, the deletion of an app in order to add a different type of cryptocurrency will not have any impact on the assets you already have. Even after the wallet has been removed, the cryptocurrency contained within it can still be viewed via Ledger Live. However, the wallet itself will no longer be visible on the Ledger device itself. This implies that if you want to transfer or receive funds to the wallet that you removed, you will most likely need to delete another wallet in order to free up enough space to do so. Having said that, the Ledger Nano S is an excellent wallet for people who wish to keep their cryptocurrencies in a secure environment at a price that is reasonable and only costs $59. It is also quite simple to use with Ledger Live, which makes it a great option for a newbie who is searching for secure and straightforward storage for a small number of cryptocurrencies. Final verdict. You have a lot of alternatives when it comes to selecting the best Bitcoin wallet because there are many different Bitcoin wallets to choose from. One of these possibilities is a piece of paper that has your public and private keys printed on it. There is a solution that is suitable for your cryptocurrency storage requirements, regardless of whether you choose a wallet that is accessible online or one that is stored on hardware. So these are the best Bitcoin wallets in 2022. If you still have any questions, leave a comment below and we try to answer you as soon as possible. Subscribe our channel for more crypto videos and press the bell button for all the latest videos. Thanks for watching.